Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review and another color spotlight. This time around, I'm showing you the Lucy wig by Revlon in the color Sepia, which is also known as 829H. So let me break down that color combination for you. Now that I've got this all nice and zoomed in the sunshine, you can see this has a number 8 base, which is why this starts with, the color combination starts with an 8, and that is a medium golden brown in the Revlon line. And then the highlight on top is kind of like a medium coppery auburn color, so very, very pretty. Get in there really good for you. Most of the highlights are here at the top, so you can see them really well here on the bangs. And then as you get down towards the bottoms, you know, you still see some of the highlight, but it gets a little bit more concentrated with the base color. This particular wig, the Lucy wig, is 4.2 ounces, which isn't bad for a wig of this particular length. How long is it? Well, the nape is 11.25 inches. The sides are 13 inches. The crown down is 17, so that's indicative of the overall length of this wig is going to be approximately 17 inches. And then we've also got the front. The bang here is 3 inches. And this wig also has a monofilament crown. So this one's nice. It's sleek. The hair feels good. I don't know. It's not necessarily good for me, I don't think. And that's just me keeping it real. I think that, you know, I need a little bit more volume generally up in this area. But not everyone is me, and some people really like these sleek wigs that just kind of hug the face and have very realistic volume. Well, Lucy has realistic volume in spades, and you get a fair amount of hair with this. It's very similar in density to the Sagittarius or the Serena wig by Revlon that I recently reviewed. So I mean, it feels really nice, and you do get plenty of hair to work with. It's just very, very sleek, very, very straight. The bang on this one's great. The length is very manageable. I don't even need to sweep it off to the side. So I love that. I love it when the pre-cut bang actually like works and you don't have to fuss with it at all. So let me show you the back. The hair moves really, really well. And this is what Lucy looks like when all the hair is kind of swept up to the front, and when the hair is kind of shuffled off to the back. So this color is great. It's dark, but not too dark. It's red, but not too red. It's just kind of warm and pretty. So I really, really like this sepia color, and I wanted to show it off in a long wig in the sunshine so you could kind of get an idea of what this is like. Now, because I'm outdoors and because this is in full sunshine, it looks a little shiny. But this is easy to manage. All you really need to do, what I do at least, is get some dry shampoo or a John Bernot wig wand and just kind of pat, pat, pat with the wig wand and then work it in with my fingers, or just spray. I would actually get the dark brown dry shampoo to work with this, the one for brunettes only. Spray it on here, work it through with your fingers, it'll make the wig smell fabulous, and then on top of that, it definitely helps reduce the shine factor. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Lucy off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. The cap on Lucy is really stretchy. I was actually kind of surprised by that, but I shouldn't have been, because the way that these bands are in the cap is very similar to the way Raquel Welch does their memory caps. Extended nape. Does have really nice Velcro little enclosures here in the back so you can adjust it. Very, very generous strip of elastic on both sides. That's why the cap is so stretchy. We do have open ear tabs, as you can see here, so it'll be very easy to wear your glasses with this particular hairstyle. And all of this top part, no permatease. There's no permatease in this wig. Like, you could even go looking for it. There isn't any. But there is this monofilament crown. It's tiny. It's very, very tiny little circle here, but that does help add a little bit of realism to the style. And here is a close-up of the color. So you can see it's very nice and warm. Definitely highlighted, but it isn't crazy looking. It's just a very pretty warm brown combination. So now I'm gonna pop this one back on. But as you can probably tell by how poker straight the hair texture is, I mean, this wig cap, by the way, very stretchy, very, very comfortable on. Now, as you can probably tell by how poker straight this particular wig is, you're gonna need to carry a comb with it. The same is true for any wig that's this hair texture and this length. You're gonna need a comb to work through the ends to kind of make sure that it all looks uniform and tangle free. That's especially true back here at the nape. And anytime you wear your seatbelt or anything, just be mindful because of the length and because of the hair texture. But that's all there is to it. This is the very lovely, very sleek and straight and silky, silky smooth Lucy wig by Revlon in the color 829H, also known as Sepia, which is a color I get asked tons of questions about. So I hope that this color spotlight has helped you out. So you can kind of see what this looks like in more indirect lighting. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Heather and I'm from CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.
A chance encounter you want to avoid the inevitable. So you do, oh yes you do, the impossible.